if anyone hasn't already noticed, my goal is to complete this game in the fastest time I can, so I can get to the next game and the next game, because I don't want this series to not finish before the new release, just because I would probably honestly cry on the inside. Like, I'm gonna skip any of the shitty, like, multiplayer games because they're shit and everyone hates them, including myself. So obviously I'm gonna skip those just because they're the cancer of Ratchet and Clank. But oh god. But yeah, I do want to complete all of the games in time. Like, the only way I'm gonna do the multiplayer Ratchet and Clank game is if I somehow drag my girlfriend in and play it with me, and I don't think I can drag her in to play Ratchet and Clank All for One, because that is in fact a shitty game. Like, I enjoyed it, but once you complete it, once you get like every upgrade ever, and I mean, like, I have a Rhino, the Rhino suit in that game for every character, and half of them are fully upgraded, so I have no idea why I played it so much. Like, I think that was the only multiplayer game I had for about a year. So whenever my friends came over, they're like, oh, let's play something. I'm like, I got this. They're like, I want to fucking slit your throat. I'm like, yep, well, we're playing it.
Jump, then press and hold the X button again.
I did it, bitch. Stop yelling at me. Hey froggies, do you want to be my friend? Hugs all around. The one thing I remember about this part of the mission on this world is the amount of times I fell off of the map, because I was one of those kids that was like really ADHD, and I was like, I couldn't do shit anything precise. Like if I was to stand up and pee, there would be pee on the back wall that was behind me somehow. So whenever I played this mission in particular, I would fall off the map like 18 times in a matter of like seconds and not understand how the hell to do it or how anyone could do it. Nowadays, I have no issues because I am very precise with my fingers, as my girlfriend could admit.
Hold down the triangle button and select wait, follow, attack, or enter.
Oh god. And one dies. Oh no. What? One didn't even die there? I am surprised. Did anyone die? What the fuck? You guys are OP. Have no idea how the hell they did that.
The Gadgetron Hydro Displacer uses insta.
Don't care. Clank will tell me later, man. Like, honestly, I hate that fucking bitch. She says everything Like anything you get new, it's like, hey, this is what this is. And like, I'll figure it out. I'll shoot someone with it, and I'll figure the shit out.
I'm back.
So you are.
And I found this.
Hey, cool. It's
What the fuck is it?
What is it?
A hydro displacer.
Great. I always wanted one of those. I guess.
One of like the worst cases of sarcasm ever. I always wanted one of those. I guess. Sure. Also, I really hate that like I'm not buying weapons, cause this weapon, well, quote unquote weapon, one of my favorite ones for this mission, but only this mission, because you can like stand on like these gates and like lure enemies towards them, and they just get zapped and fucking die. Don't care, bitch. Okay, this was another part of the mission that I always sucked at. Because the part where you have to run back is where I'm just like, I'm running into enemies and dying. So this was another part of the game where I actually avoided it for as long as I physically could. I believe you have to complete this to continue the story, of course. What a big surprise, I know. But yeah, I avoided it as much as I could. Just because how much I sucked as like a 10-year-old me playing this T-rated game at the time. Now it's E10 plus, so you know, who really cares? Oh, especially with these guys. These guys are a fucking pain in the ass. They hurt a lot. Okay. I'm gonna do the easy thing. And I'm gonna go pick up some health. That's one. I know there's a... There we go. I hear crawling enemies, and that kind of frightens me. Oh, cool things I don't need. Ammo. Time to hit the big red button. Yay! Pretty button. Yeah, this is the next mission, pretty much. That robot. So it was something I had to do, but I tried not to. Just because I sucked so hard. Like, I know it's 40 seconds that, like, come on, how the hell can't you do it type deal. But I was just so bad.
Seriously, I'm not kidding. This whole place is about to explode.
Seriously, this shit's about to explode. Get the fuck out.
This is Darla Gratch reporting live from Blackwater City. We've just learned that Captain
Hi,
Quark will
Darla.
be presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic Hoverboard Championship, which will be held here over the next
Hey,
few
Mom,
days.
look at me. Oh, God.
In related news, this planet has recently been suffering from
That reporter
infestation
doesn't
of
give
strange
a
amoeboid
shit. A
creatures.
guy just got eaten, and
City's
she's like,
administration has
I'm gonna go
assured
back
this
to my
reporter
report.
that every step has been taken to eradicate these
I don't
nuisances.
care.
Darla Gratch, Channel 2 News.
Did you see that?
Yes, I hope that poor woman is all right.
She's fine, I think. I was talking about the hoverboard races.
Come on. No. Oh god. Second death. Okay, I can accept that. I guess I can accept that. Ow. Okay. There's only, what, one enemy? It's fine. Ah.
Need a little help.
I don't care. Stop telling me useful information. Oh, I meant to throw that there. Ow. Okay. Guys, can we talk about this? Like, honestly. Because, like, I understand you got red eyes, you're mutants, like, shit be hard for you and all that jazz. But do you really have to, like, eat my face? That's theoretically fine. That's theoretically fine. There you go. That's good. Fuck you guys. Hiding in boxes. God. I just wanted to be your friends. And then you, like, jump out of boxes. I'm just trying to hug you guys. Being aggressive. Holy shit, is it dark in this room. I can barely see my character. Money is not worth it. Like there's being Jewy, and then there's just being plain retarded. And that would be plain retarded. Okay, what? Oh god. What the fuck? This one I love. Open one. Hey, look, that guy wakes up for whatever fucking reason. Gets really aggressive because he's an asshole. You do the other one not expecting the same resolve. Holy shit, this mission is so dark. Does not look... Okay, so if you don't look at the explosion, you don't hear the explosion. That's how that works. Cool, guys, don't look at explosions. Okay. Oh yeah, this... No, his lava floats on the fucking air. Fucking... I call hacks and cheats. Like, that guy is hacking the game and cheating it just so his lava can float. Because that shit is, well, bullshit.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Also, this entire area is bullshit. Hey guys. Oh. Okay, well, fuck you. Okay. Can you not? I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. Oh, fuck. Oh, God, no. No more. No more. Oh, fuck. So aggressive, man. Let's be friends. Okay, if I'm in the air, I don't exist. I don't exist. This shit's bull. Okay, get the fuck out. And get back. Oh god. Okay. Okay, that was not fun. No, I don't need backflips, I need hovers. The easiest gold trophy ever, I swear, is in here. Like, they don't even try to hide it. They're just like, hey, look, don't be stupid. And you find it. Looky there, I got it. Like, there's no hiding that. There's just like, here you go. Oh, wait. Hey, man. Hey, man. Can we talk about this? Like, can we honestly, like... Okay. Oh god. Okay, well, I give up. I'm using weapons. They're basic weapons. They're weapons nonetheless. Fork off. Yeah, suck dick. To be fair, I don't think I could not use weapons on the boss here. The boss is kind of a dick. So, that went surprisingly well, though, overall. I did expect that I was going to have to use weapons fairly soon, but I didn't know when, and I died anyways. Fucking god, I'm a scrub. Guys, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about... Motherfucker. I'm not even gonna have enough ammo for the boss. Okay. I'm being too aggressive now. Now I have to spend money.
Hi
Ugh.
there, Fuzzball.
There goes $140. Now I can avoid everyone. Boop. Boop. Oh! Pulled the trigger too quickly. And yes, they have like safety frames for some godforsaken reason. Fuck off. There you go. And everyone can be friends again. I forget how that's not how I do that. No. Oh wait, you can't do that in this game. Fuck off. Fuck off. Oh, see? No, you can't melee. Fuck this guy. Okay. I forgot the game doesn't freeze. And now I have to redo all of that. Guys, don't worry about it. I'm going. Oh, I forgot. I honestly hate myself now. I didn't even hit him. 2. 1, 2. 1. Fuck off. Oh, too far. I want. There we go. Now I'm going to get into this fight with 0 ammo. Well, virtually 0 ammo. Let's talk about this, man. Come on, let's be friends. We can talk. Okay, man, let's talk. Let's be buddies. Let's be pals. Well, okay. Now we can really discuss friendship, because I won't hurt you if you won't hurt me. Okay, never mind. Friendship's over. I'm done. I'm done with you. I expected like a cutscene because it was a boss. I completely forgot that there wasn't a fucking cutscene. Hey man. There you go.
Thought I was a goner this time. Some nano-wit in genetics must have left the cages open again.
You could come down now.
Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
So, you are an inventor.
Gadget engineer. I create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Drek. For instance, Viola. My soon-to-be patented grind boots.
Grind boots.
Look,
And then
I
you'll
need to
see
get out
them
of
in
here so I
every
can find a
game
new
after
job.
this.
How about I sell you these at cost?
Within
Sell?
the first,
After
like,
we
3
just saved your scrawny
How about I
butt?
sell you
Alright,
these
alright.
at
I'll give
cost?
you the
Because
employee discount too.
selling.
Well, thanks. I'm gonna get out of here while I still can.
He just sold me a not yet fully
You've got the
tested
grind boots.
object.
Grind boots let you travel on rails like this.
I don't care, you dumb bitch. Stop telling me stuff. Yay. Whee. I love grinding the wall.